Turf Logistics is the #1 cloud software platform for sod farms, distributors, and installers throughout the US and Australia. If your business grows, sells, distributes, or installs sod, Turf Logistics has your software solutions. Turf Logistics was started as a sod farm management platform and runs many of the top farms in the industry. Seamlessly manage operations, customers, orders, accounting, and logistics in one integrated and easy-to-use platform. Turf Logistics Routing is sod industry dispatch and logistics software specifically designed around the business of delivering sod. With Turf Logistics Routing desktop and mobile applications, you'll be able to automatically route and view deliveries on a map, track drivers, communicate delivery times to customers, and manage drivers profitably while shipping pallets, big rolls, and sprigs more efficiently. The ClickSod e-commerce platform leverages the weather, delivery, and availability data in Turf Logistics Routing to allow customers to order sod online while seamlessly integrating online and offline orders. Our unique pricing platform puts the control in your hands of where to sell and at what price. Sell your sod through sodsolutions.com or on your own website with ClickSod websites. At Turf Logistics, we believe websites should be more than digital billboards. Today's customers want to buy now, and ClickSod websites build around-the-clock income producing digital sales for your business. Our team of design experts make it easy for your business to have a professional, revenue-producing storefront that enables customers to purchase sod and accompanying products online, reducing phone calls and automating communications. Turf Logistics has the solutions for your sod business. Are you ready to work smarter?